right, so when we're taking a look here, first thing that we notice is the lack of ventilation in this older style house with these plywood soffits. Those are the only areas that they're getting ventilation from the front. We go and take a look around. As you can see on the side here, we only have 1, 2. Taking a look at the back here, you can see we only have 4 spots where we have ventilation coming through, which is not nearly enough ventilation for this attic. As you can see from the inside view, there is hardly any light coming through this attic space here. All right, taking a look at the roof, I did see quite a bit going on here with it. So first off, just about everywhere we can see, you know, shingles that are starting to bend and break, and that they're just prematurely wearing and tearing way faster. Broken shingles all over the place. Yeah, but then when we get to this side, this is the side that's really bad. You know, you can see all of these areas that I've circled off, even ones that I missed here like that. I'm not sure if that was just something from a tree, but look at all of these areas that are just torn up to pieces. Shingles again missing, a couple areas down here. And then I did take a look here at a couple of soft spots that I found. So you can see there's quite a bit of give on that. And then this spot was the really bad one here. You can see how much, you can even hear it, how much give there is in this area is cause for concern, to say the least. So right there, my laser is, you can kind of see that whiteness compared to over on this side right here. That's mildew that's starting to build up. All right, so what we end up doing for this project is we're taking care of the soffit and fascia for sure to increase that ventilation, take care of all of the leaf guard that is destroyed, and then also we worked with insurance to get a new roof as well, because there's definitely some areas that are causing problems on the roof as well.